back! Oh, konti na lang pero much better na. So I promote this tamarind. There's have two flavor. This one is sour, sweet and sour. The other one is spicy and sour. So I want to both this one, not spicy, because spicy can trigger my throat.
Feeling nga ang trigger mo.
Tiger na lang. Uy, sobo. Yun ha. Receive. Ay, wala pa rin may nabayaran. Ay, sana. To Charmy for Ate